Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of me at midnight forgetting to film my intros. So this video, I went vegan for a week, not that anybody cares, but I thought it'd be a fun video, so I filmed a lot of the stuff I ate and like put it together. So I hope you enjoy this video. So it's lunchtime right now, and clearly I have some decision-making issues. So we have a lot going on here. It's not that much, but it's like just a lot going on, just not that much stuff, I'm saying. Okay, well, anyway, I have hummus, cucumber, toast, well, half of that, and then on the other half of the bread I put bananas and almond butter, and then I have a fennel salad similar to what I had yesterday, but this one has strawberries, and then apples. I'm just like in the mood to satisfy all my cravings right now, so we're just gonna do that. So I'm at Starbucks. I just finished my workout and I'm having a coffee with almond milk, which is what I usually get anyway, so. So it's the last day of my vegan week and I'm having dinner right now in the car. So it's a farro salad and it looks really good and I'm really excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was actually really fun being vegan for a week. I admit I did prepare because I tried to eat like as many vegan meals as possible so it'd be easier for me when I did like the full-on thing. I don't think I'd ever go vegan, but I don't know, it was kind of fun. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!